English teacher from America. He taught me English, and then suddenly during the break time, I say the N-word, and then he kicked me out only for the rest of the break time until the bell rings. Then he let me in, and then he used to warn me about not being a racist person. Like when I was in high school, I used to tell a lot about the black people jokes, and then say a lot of N-words. And then this, because he's from America, it gave him some type of way. That's one. And then the second one is, I remember when I was coach playing Mobile Legend in my class, and then the teacher suddenly grabbed my phone and then he put it into his pocket, only to be given to me during the end of the class.
Oh, sorry.
And then the third one, which I still remember, is that when I was accompanying my friend because he got a minimum score.
Yeah.
Because he didn't pass the grade for this lesson, for the subject score, and then where he suddenly got called by his teacher, and then his teacher asked him some amount of money so that he may raise his score. He will give him good mark if you give him like 50,000 for 5 points of score elevation. And then I remember when I pranked my friend, and then this English teacher suddenly asked me to do some push-ups as a punishment.
Push up.
Yeah,
How many times?
20 times.
Oh, come on, Paul, 20 times. Not 10 times.
20
Alright, keep
times.
going.
Yeah, that's my high school experience.
Do you upset a time?
But
Did you upset a time?
not regularly,
Oh, sorry.
like twice a week maybe. Yeah, I think that's all.
Alright, next question. You got a question from Mr. Patton. Very long time no see, no love teaching us about teaching about English, right?
So where have you been, Mr. Matan?
Yeah.
We didn't see you.
Yeah, inshallah. Almost quite, 5 years.
Yeah.
My brother here. The best in world was Mr. Patton. I miss him so much, that.
It's quite a long time actually, because I've been minding my own business on my campus. So
Yeah,
the
inshallah.
campus has been assigning me a lot of tasks, a lot of job to do.
Yeah.
So I get a lot of job desks like quite frequently, and then they told me to complete my thesis.
Inshallah.
Scriptsy. So they gave me a topic which about obstetric and gynecology. It's about the female birth. Baby. It's
Oh,
called
baby, inshallah.
It's about the pregnancy. So they assigned me to do that thesis, and then in the upcoming month I will be doing some KKN in the local village, or maybe in my desired village. They asked me to choose.
What village? In Aceh, I mean, in Great Aceh or West Aceh?
I haven't decided it yet, but maybe it's my hometown maybe, or maybe in Banda Aceh.
Around here, right? Yeah.
I'll make sure if I'm going to take it in Banda Aceh.
Yeah, inshallah. Right, my question, experience, about this life for a teacher.
About school.
Yeah.
About school. Which part of school that you most to like? From elementary school, senior high school, junior high school, or maybe campus, college living. The free food they gave me in Fatih. The free food, the free lunch they gave me, and then also their canteen. They offers us a lot of delicious food, but yet it is also expensive because only people with tons of money consider studying there. So sometimes they charge you like 15,000 for food, and it may be raised like 50,000. So make sure to bring like 100,000 for a day for your pocket money for lunch, and then goes for a lot because the food is very delicious and fatty. And then the way the teacher treats you, if you have a lot of like
achievement, they'll treat you different. Or maybe if your father is quite rich enough, they'll treat you different. But that doesn't mean they did not treat people like equally. Yeah, it's not like equally, but they does not mistreat any of the students. Only just they give much more attention to the gifted one, or maybe to the rich kids one.
So they use English when they talk about something. Whether they talk about
There was one day in a week that's called English Day. So it's on Wednesday, where we must speak full English whenever we are, wherever we are, whenever and wherever we are.
so it is not perfect every time. English.
Not every time, but mainly on the science subject, except like, or maybe like social subject like Bahasa Indonesia, and then citizenship, they do not use English. Then art, only like science subject like math, physics, because the teacher couldn't understand Indonesian. They brought the teacher from Turkey. Yeah.
So
Oh yeah, there's also one remarkable moment which suddenly my friends shouted to my another friend some dirty words in Indonesian language, and then the teacher still sit there like if there's nothing happening. And then we just laugh because the teacher's reaction, he did not react like at all. He said something like that. The teacher just sit there and minding his own business because he did not understand the word.
Alright, any question?
I think no more fish.
No more question. Alright, Mr. Fatan, you got a question, no? Alright, thank you, Mr. Fatan.
Okay.